Hello, and thank you for purchasing these Thumper Fab arms. Today we want to talk about installing your new patent pending lower uniball housing. You're going to have to slightly modify your knuckle to accept this housing. So we're going to show you on the table how to do that. So you need to clearance the knuckles slightly so that the ball joint can go into the hole without rubbing the end of the A-arm. So you can use a variety of tools. You can use a die grinder, a sander, or even a small grinder. So what we're going to do is clearance right here between the two steering stops. And we're going to put our safety glasses on. I'm going to use the die grinder to clearance this, right in this area right here. Now that we got our safety glasses on, we can do some cutting. So, we're just going to clearance it enough, like I said, for the ball joint housing to go into the knuckle. So you'll want to check it, and if it will go in, fine. If not, you'll need to clearance it a little more. But it looks like we went in just fine. So now you have all this mass instead of about half of that, which you would have from the factory or the other aftermarket companies. So as you can see here, we have our new Thumper Fab arm, and we have another arm that is for comparison. You can see how much more metal we have around here to make this a stronger housing to keep it from bending. And you can see how thin their housing is where they put ball joint. This is also a ball joint. This is a uniball housing. A uniball housing is twice as strong as a ball joint, and you shouldn't have near as many problems with breakage. Now that we're done clearancing the knuckle, we hit it with some touch-up paint and let it dry so it won't rust. Now we just put the knuckle on. You put the axle and the uniball housing in at the same time. And then you'll put your upper uniball housing in and assemble the rest of the bike. Over time, your Thumper Fab uniballs might develop a squeak or noise. For that, we have Thumper Fab ball spray. This will lubricate your bearings to where they do not squeak anymore. Make sure to apply just a squirt to your balls. All right, as you can see, we got it all together. You can see, combined with our 3-inch Thumper Fab lift and our forward arms, we were able to get 35-inch tall tires. Now, you don't have to put a lift kit on there. If you wanted to just run the forward arms, you should be able to get 33-inch tall tires very easy. So, thank you for visiting Thumper Fab, and be sure to contact us at thumperfab.com if you need any accessories.